We have Kodak's brand new Super 8 camera here at CES. Slated for release later in 2018, it's going to bring back Super 8 filmmaking. It features an LCD screen with a sensor that will give you a live view of your image as you're shooting. The controls are super clean, very easy to understand and use. Everything's visible on the LCD, and they have a scroll wheel to scroll through everything. And if you want to modify it, it comes with a C mount, so you can find an array of used lenses all over the market, and some new ones. Of course, Kodak has a variety of film stocks ready to go, but the best are obviously going to be the Tri-X reversal film 7266. I remember using this back when I was in college. And for color, they got the 50D, the 200T, and the 500T. All classic Super 8 stocks that you're going to get a lot of use out of. Stay tuned to B&H Explora for more news as soon as we get it. And hopefully, we'll get our hands on it later this year and show you what it's all about. Thanks for watching.